Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. A. Let's go on an adventure today and explore the jungle. I bet we'll come across some amazing animals. Let's go. Why, do you see what I see, friends? I see a bird. Do you see a bird? What's the first sound in the word bird? B. Do you know what letter that is? It's B. Let's keep our eyes out for another animal. Friends, do you see what I see? I see a tiger. Do you know the first sound in the word tiger? T. Great job, friends. Now, do you know what letter that is? You're right, it's T. T for tiger. Great job. Let's keep our eyes out for other animals. Make sure we're quiet. We don't want the tiger to find us. Friends, do you hear that? I think it's a snake. There it is. Do you know what the first sound is in the word snake? Do you know what letter makes that sound? S does. Great job. S for snake. Okay. Why? I think I see a monkey. What's the first sound in the word monkey? And do you know what letter that is? M. M for monkey. Great job. A hippo? How neat! What's the first sound in the word hippo? Do you know what letter makes that sound? H. Great job. H for hippo. Why, is that what I think it is? It's a zebra. Do you know the first sound in the word zebra? Zzz. And do you know what letter makes that sound? Z. Great job, friends. Z for zebra. Let's keep a lookout. There it is. Do you know what the first sound is in the word elephant? And do you know what letter makes that sound? E. Great job, friends. E for elephant. Great job today on our adventure. We saw so many different animals and we learned their letter names and sounds. Thanks for joining me today, friends. See you next time. Goodbye.